a look at it.
Okay, welcome guys to PAX and to Cougar Booth here. So today we would like to introduce you the case that was the first time released in the USA and in the world as well. And now our engineers introduced a new case. And this one is our new model Cougar Essence. That is open design micro ITX case. It's also made of with a CNC machine, so it's like a handmade case, and it will be a new open frame design, and it's also very powerful cooling. It has up to 4 fans and 2 radiators, up to 240 millimeters. So it's very stylish and durable case. So the same like a previous model, it has a little bit like a shape of Cougar brand, shape of this fitting.
Show the back?
Yes. And it's quite huge.
And the construction of the frame, is it steel or is it?
Yeah, it's real steel. Yeah, it will be aluminum. It will be aluminum. Yeah, aluminum. So it will be. So it's very light. You can try. It's very light. In fact.
And this model will be available when?
We expect this model available on US market in June. And the retail price will be about $200. So it will be more competitive, and it will be very nice design. And it's more people can try something like compact for mini ATX, for micro ATX, to put it home.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe to Modders Inc. for more coverage of PAX EAST 2018 from Boston, Massachusetts.